Hey guys, this is Crypto Coin Investor. Today I am going to discuss the Stellar Lumens. I'm going to do some price predictions and compare how is it going to fare against Bitcoin and US dollar. So what you're looking at in front of your screens is the Poloniex weekly chart for the Stellar Lumens. And for some weird reason, they still call it SDR instead of XLM. It's the only exchange in the world which still refers Stellar Lumens as STR, and I don't know the reason behind it, but they have the maximum history, so that's why I prefer using it while doing technical analysis. So this is the Stellar Lumens chart, and this is the weekly chart. This is the accumulation range which I marked in the previous videos, and this is the 20-day moving average, so it acts as a resistance as well as support. If you're below it, it will act as resistance. You can see that here. The moment we went below the 20-day moving average, it started acting as a resistance, and once we got above it, it started acting as support. Anyway, so I think the Stellar Lumens can touch this very level, 840 sats against Bitcoin in the coming days. We had a hell of a run. We went from 687 sats and we went to nearly 1200 sats here, and naturally there is going to be some sort of correction. Nothing goes up in a straight line, and this magnet that you see here, that's my final target. Not my final, but my final short-term target, and 1800 sats is my target, but it will take a few weeks for us to reach that target. It's kind of a medium-term target, I would say. Nothing goes up in a straight line. So as you can see, the moving average is now slowly going up, and this will start acting as support, and I hope that the Stellar Lumens hold on to this line and do not close below this line. So if we want Stellar Lumen to be bullish against Bitcoin, we must stay above this moving average. So far and so good. However, let's take a look at the daily, because we have been going down, and let me change this to 200 day because that's what we use on the daily. So this is also creeping up, and I'm expecting this level, this price to again test this 840 sats. Let me enable the Ichimoku cloud real quick. Don't want to make anything too complex. Let me also remove the RSI and use MACD instead. So we have negative divergence or bearish divergence on the MACD. People are selling Stellar Lumens, they're getting rid of it. But should you get rid of it? If you are about to short, you can short, but I'm expecting Stellar to at least try to hold around 880 sats, because if you're not able to hold this level, we may test the 840 sat level, and we may even see a wick to the our 200-day moving average, which is at around 760 sats right now. If we test it in the coming days, it may creep up and be around 800 sats or so. It is very important to keep in mind that we will still be making higher lows, which is something very important when something is going up. So if an asset is going up, it should make a higher low, and even if we test the 840 sats, we will still be making higher low, so we will still be in bull market. Do you know what guarantees that we are in a bull market? When you zoom out, this is the weekly chart, and we have broken above, and this is the red zone right here, and we have been able to get inside this red cloud, and we are holding on to our crucial levels. Here you can see the blue line, which acted as support previously. Now it is going to act as resistance if we are not able to close above it. The next major resistance is exactly at the level which I told you earlier, which is around 840 sats, and then our major support, weekly support, is right now at around 791 sats. It really works like magic, and again, the outline of this red cloud is going to act as resistance, which I have already marked. I'm sorry, it is around at 1740 sats. So this is where we will see some really higher resistance. And if you zoom out even further, this is the monthly chart. We are about to flip to the green side on the monthly. Again, this is going to act as massive resistance. The 20-day moving average on the monthly has always acted as resistance, and we must close above it to move to the our 1800 sat target. We tried to get above it, and it acted as resistance last month. You can see that here we immediately got rejected. and we are again in this accumulation area. Great time to buy some Stellar Lumens. Let's take a look at the USDT chart real quick. And again, I'm pulling up the Poloniex USDT chart, which goes by STR USDT, and we've already flipped to the green side on the monthly time frame, and we are looking much better on the USDT front, I would say. This is the weekly chart, and unlike this BTC chart, we have been able to close above this red cloud. We saw a lot of resistance here, but here we are looking much better. The next target that I am seeing is around 14 cents, not sats, and after that 18 sats. This is my midterm target, short-term to midterm target, and we are looking good on the weekly. And this very dot, this very line, which earlier acted as resistance, you can see that from the past 4 weeks, this acted as resistance. This is now going to act as support, so it will be very tough for the Stellar Lumens to close, to have its weekly close, not daily close, the weekly close below 10 cents. So we are not going to see Stellar Lumens under 10 cents, I think, ever. If we come down below 10 cents, I would consider it an extremely nice buying opportunity, because it will not stay below 10 cents for long. So do not try to short Stellar Lumens unless you know what you're doing. Maybe for a quick shot, that's fine if you are trading on smaller intervals like 1 hour or 4 hour. I don't do that. I don't have time for that. I have my other businesses, and I don't want to stay glued to the screen all day, so I don't do that. So my next targets for the Stellar Lumens is 14 cents and then to the 18 cents. Of course, the Stellar Lumens can go up, and it has gone up in the much higher in the past. Like for instance, we had touched early 95 cents, nearly $1 back in the bull run of 2018, and I am expecting Stellar Lumens to even surpass those targets, maybe a $2 target. Let me make a Fibonacci just for the fun's sake. Okay, so let's see how high this Stellar Lumens can go after 91 or 92 cents. Then our next major target will be at about $1.50, and then after that $2.36. So these are really long-term targets, and we are about to get out of this major resistance. The sky is clear for Stellar Lumens now, and hope you have your bags packed, because we are going to the moon. Anyway, hope you liked my video. Stay subscribed for more cryptocurrency, IC news, and price analysis. Check out my other price analysis as well, and of course give this video a like. Bye bye.